Thermostat energy usage reports can be totally off or just flat out missing, and it messes with knowing how much juice your home is really using. So, first thing you want to do is check if your thermostat is actually connected to your Wi-Fi, because if it's not, those reports won't update or show up at all. Also, make sure the firmware or software on your smart thermostat is up to date, since old software can glitch and cause wrong readings. Sometimes, the sensors inside the thermostat get dirty or misaligned, so cleaning it gently or repositioning can help get more accurate data. Another tip is to double-check the settings, like temperature schedules or energy-saving modes, since wrong configs can make reports look weird or incomplete. If you notice the reports are missing entirely, try restarting your thermostat or your home network, because sometimes a quick reset fixes the connection issues. If you use an app, clear the cache or reinstall it. Apps can bug out and not show correct info. Also, look into whether your thermostat model supports detailed energy usage tracking, since some basic models don't have that feature. Last but not least, if you have multiple thermostats, make sure each one is set up properly and reporting separately to avoid confusing combined data. One of the biggest mistakes with thermostat energy usage reports is ignoring Wi-Fi connectivity problems, which leads to missing or outdated data. Fixing this means ensuring a strong, stable connection and resetting devices when needed. Another common issue is outdated firmware on smart thermostats causing inaccurate readings. Keeping the device updated with the latest software patches usually sorts this out. Lastly, people often overlook incorrect thermostat settings like schedules or sensor placement, messing up report accuracy. Adjusting these settings and cleaning sensors regularly helps keep reports reliable and useful. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners easily find trusted local contractors for any home improvement job, making sure you get quality work without the stress. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with new clients and grow their business by showcasing their skills in the right spots.